Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Sierra Leone on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body, so in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this official Sierra Leone website. It's available, I'm saying in English, but anyway, the process is pretty simple, just 3 steps. Like when you start an application, submit, payment, and receive confirmation once approved. Okay, so the very first thing is to select your nationality. I am doing sample, but you do it as per your own case, whatever it is. Okay, so two options have been given to you in this case. Non-African, because I selected India. Cost 160 or single entry 80. So I select single entry, but yeah, you can select whichever you want to based on your circumstances. So you have to put your email address, last name, and get code via email, and that code you have to put here, and then have to log in. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so you get an email where you get a direct link also, so that instead of putting code in the previous screen, you can directly click on that link and it will bring you to your application. Okay, now they have given you the documents that what you need, passport, and it has to be valid. You have to plan in advance. Okay, terms, condition, other things are given here, so make sure you read it, don't skip it, because you may miss something important. Take your time, and once you're okay, just click on agree. Okay, so personal information, everything should match with your passport guys. Okay, so I'm going to begin with given name and surname. So I filled sample. Date of birth, again I'm going to put sample. In document type, I have only one option, passport. I do passport number, issue country, nationality. So I'm going to put sample. So in nationality, I have the drop down again. So I select document issued country. Okay, nationality, again I have drop down. Why so many drop down? But we have to go through it. Your occupation, purpose is I select tourism. Host name, hosted. So if you booked a hotel, that you can put it over here. Okay, expected date to Sierra Leone, that also you can put. Alright, so I'm going to put some sample details, and then I'm going to click on save. So with this, the details are saved. Okay, now once you are ready, you are going to select this and click on checkout. So this is the payment due. So now after making the payment, it will ask you for like your passport and other things, but of course I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to pay this money. But this is how simple it is guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.